This wasn't quite how I imagined my first walk on a New Zealand beach! I know, right? It's freezing! Hey guys, how's it going? I hope you're well. So we made it down to the Catlins National Park. Those clips were the first two stops along a route of 1,000,001 things that we don't know if we're going to get through before the weather turns rubbish again or not, but hopefully fingers crossed we'll make it. So that was Waipapa Point and Slope Point, and Slope Point is the most southerly part of the mainland of the South Island of New Zealand, so that was pretty cool. And then we've just pulled up at a waterfall now, so we're going to go take a short hike through the forest and see what we can find. So yeah, maybe splash our face as well. The wind this morning has absolutely zapped our energy. It was exhausting. So yeah, let's get hiking.
So quick update is that we were so tired from all of the wind and everything. We had our lunch in the van before we set off on the walk, and then we just had like a 40-minute nap, so feeling very refreshed. But we went to one of the boards for the walks, and we realised that the walk that we were going to go on is actually a 3-hour hike, and it's probably too late in the day now to do it, so we're gonna go somewhere else. We're gonna go to the next stop because it was only a waterfall hike anyway, and there's like 3 more in this area anyway, so we don't feel too hard done by. So we're at Porpoise Bay, and here sometimes you can see sea lions and dolphins, but not today unfortunately. But we're really happy to be here and see the sun shining still.
You can't see very much. So we're back in the van now. I'm going to head on to the next stop, which is another waterfall. Probably going to be the last thing that we do today. But yeah, we don't know when and how. We've got so windy. Like, why did no one warn us? We don't know if there's a storm coming through or something like that. But it is so cold and so windy, especially like on the headlands. Just it's insane. But yeah, we're getting like pretty tired from. Like days like today, it was the same down at Milford when after we'd done the cruise and we're just in and out of the van all day. It's like you drive 5 minutes down the road and you're in and you're out, you're in and you're out. But yeah, we want to try and see all the best things, so I guess it's just what we're going to do, but it gets real exhausting, eh? Just onto this last walk now towards the waterfall. It's going to be good to get this last thing for the day ticked off the list. I think actually realistically we'll probably enjoy the walks more than we do the actual ticking off of things, but yeah, I don't know.
You can see for yourself, mister, I don't enjoy hiking up hills.
That's not true.
So cool. This one's like a curly fry.
So that's something else about days like this, is that it's really hard to film, it's really hard to edit, and it's probably really hard for you guys to follow as well. But we're back again at the waterfall that we just left. That clip that you just saw is we just ran to a beach just up the road. We were going to go and cook our tea there because we thought there'd be a really nice lookout. But then it turned out that where we were parking, we were just like basically surrounded by trees and we couldn't see anything. So anyway, we came back to this waterfall because apparently there are some glowworms here tonight, or there are every night in fact. And so we're going to go and try and find them. So we might need a little bit of luck, so cross your fingers for us, but let's see if we can find them. This is so weird, it's so dark.
We're not really sure what we're looking for.
No sign of anything yet, but that's for sure.
Just know this is super creepy. So I think this has been a massive fail and we're going to turn back because I think that we're both probably a little bit scared of the dark and this is insanely creepy. So yeah, there's somewhere else like along the coast that has a glowworm cave, so hopefully we'll go there and yeah, we'll find some. But yeah, I'm going to carry on walking. I'll see you back at the car. Oh my god. So this lighting's horrendous, but we have just pulled up for the night and we just found a little camping spot. It's just on the side of the road and it's so wonky. Let me show you how wonky it is. So this is a toilet roll, obviously. Whee! Oh my god, it just kept going. Okay, what else can we show? The dream catcher at the back is looking severely wonky. And these guys, I don't know if you can actually see, they're definitely kind of like a, I mean they may as well be like this. It's going to be a fun night's sleep. But yeah, that's been a really awesome day and we're going to get some rest now and we'll see you in the morning. Morning guys, so we didn't sleep very well last night, funnily enough. Yeah, it was a very lopsided sleep, so we just probably like woke up like 50 times. Every time we had to roll over it was like a complete ordeal. So yeah, well there's nothing we could do, that was just where we could park here, so hopefully tonight's sleep will be a bit better because I think we're both a bit tired. So it promised that we'd have sunshine today, but it's really cloudy. So yeah, I'm hoping that the sun's going to burn it away and we'll get like a really nice afternoon, so that's the plan. So just now we're walking to a mirror lake, so fingers crossed it burns them away before we get there.
Whoa.
So that took about 5 minutes, which is confusing because it said it was going to take half an hour. So yeah, that's really strange, but we're back to the van now. It's going to be another day like yesterday, so we're going to be stopping and starting. So probably just kind of show you the things and not really talk about it, or be like, now we're going to here, now we're going to here. So yeah, on to the next place. Enjoy these trees, they look a lot like an umbrella. It's cool. They're everywhere. The sun finally came out!
We've been waiting 3 weeks for this.
So we're at Surat Day and it feels like we've just teleported to Australia. Even the sun's come out.
So there's meant to be some more sea lions on this beach, like that first one we went to yesterday. It doesn't look like there is any, but like this is absolutely beautiful. This is way nicer than what we were doing yesterday. This feels heaps more chilled and it's so sunny and warm. This is it, this is what we came for. I've missed being barefoot so much and being on sand and ground that's warm enough to be barefoot. It's so much nicer than having to wear shoes or flip-flops.
You have no idea how hard that was to film whilst walking backwards. Dan wanted to show you his naked feet. We once had a friend that was from France and that's what he called his bare feet, and it made us laugh so much that we still talk about it to this day.
we've just done a short drive around the headland onto the next bay around. So this one's called Cannibal Bay, and the reason it's called that is because some of the first people that discovered this place actually found human bones on the beach, so that's a bit freaky. And yeah, and this headland to the side of us just here has got like a load of trees that make it look like it's really windy here sometimes, but fortunately it's not that windy today, so that's awesome. And that view is insane. I have missed views of beaches like that so much, but yeah, these are those trees that we're saying about. So yeah, we think those trees have had a hard life, but yeah, it looks like there's some sea lions over there, which is kind of what people come here for, so let's go check those out.
So we just strolled up to here, and Dom was like, oh no, I thought they were sea lions, they're all just a bunch of rocks.
They do look like sea lions, to be fair.
That's so funny. Seems to be something between us. Oh god. Just made it, just literally. Whew. Okay, that's enough adventure for today. Okay, take two. Oh my god. Not so lucky this time. Oh, let's cheese it.
We just got back to the van and we're just gonna have some dinner, lunch, whatever you want to call it. And then there's only one more stop on like the tourist route. So yeah, there's only one thing left to see, I guess. And then hopefully we'll find a beach to go and lay on for the rest of the day. I've missed beach life.
Else think these look like little snakes sticking their heads up.
Alright, so we just got back to the van and I've just put a pan on for to make a coffee before we get on the road. So yeah, next up we're gonna head into the next town, maybe go to the shop and get some stuff for tea tonight, and then we'll try and find somewhere to park. So yeah, we'll catch you then.
Living like a king.
Are you on the road?
So we just pulled up and we found this really beautiful spot for the night. We did try like one other spot that was like for freedom camping people, and it had toilets and everything, but we got there a bit too late, so it's like 20 to 8 or something, and all the spaces were taken. So yeah, we've come a little bit further down and this is a freedom camping place, so super cool. So I'll show you around. So yeah, that's it from us today, guys. We really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please remember to give us a big thumbs up and please subscribe if you're new, and if you'd like to support us on Patreon, the links to that are always below. So yeah, it's been a really great day and we hope that your day is just as good. Bye guys.